Hi, I'm Mrs. Madden. I teach 8th grade science at Robert E. Bell Middle School.
Okay. In the beginning of the year, you did a Tootsie Pop lab about how many times you could lick the Tootsie Pop to get to the center. How did you come up with the experiment?
I have no idea. We've been doing that experiment now for like 15 years, ever since I started teaching. I know that I needed an experiment that would teach the scientific method, some way to look at identifying variables and practicing colorful observations and something that was measurable. But I didn't want it to be dry, like rolling a ball down a ramp or bouncing a ball or whatever. I wanted it to be something that was fun, and it sort of evolved into the status quo of our classes that everything involves food somehow.
Okay, thank you. And later around fourth quarter, we did an ecomuve assignment with Harvard. And how did you get affiliated with the Harvard people to make this happen?
This is our second year doing that. So you're actually in the second group who's worked with Harvard. Last year in September, October, we were approached by our director of technology, whose name is Darlene Nicolosi. And she either went to a conference or met with some people or somehow she heard this man speak named Chris Beatty, and he is a professor at Harvard in their grad school. And what she heard him speak about was this program, this grant that they had gotten and that they were looking to come into schools that had pond and stream programs. We have a pond and stream program, and so they hooked us up with them and asked us if we'd be interested in piloting a virtual online interactive world with our students. And we said, of course.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Madden.
Very welcome.